The OKUR DRUMMIX is a cutting-edge mobile asphalt mixing plant that's making waves in the world of road construction and maintenance. This versatile machine is engineered to produce various asphalt mixtures, including hot mix asphalt, HMA, cold mix asphalt, CMA, and warm mix asphalt, WMA, offering a wide range of options to suit specific project needs. What truly sets the OKUR DRUMMIX apart is its stellar performance, efficiency, and reliability. Equipped with a powerful mixing drum featuring customizable, replaceable mixing blades, this machine ensures quick and efficient asphalt material mixing. The sophisticated material handling system precisely meters and distributes asphalt materials to the mixing drum, ensuring uniform and consistent asphalt mixture quality. With a dedicated heating system, the OKUR DRUMMIX can precisely control asphalt material temperatures, ensuring workable mixtures that can be properly compacted. The compaction system further enhances its capabilities, resulting in a smooth and dense road surface. For contractors, the OKUR DRUMMIX brings a host of benefits to the table. It significantly boosts productivity by producing asphalt mixtures at a much faster rate compared to traditional methods, translating into substantial time savings and heightened efficiency. The Guntert and Zimmerman MP550 is a remarkable self-propelled milling machine that's making waves in the world of road construction and maintenance. This powerful and versatile machine is engineered to remove a wide range of materials, including asphalt, concrete, and rock, making it an invaluable asset in various road construction applications. The MP550 stands out for its outstanding performance, efficiency, and reliability. Equipped with a robust milling drum featuring customizable, replaceable milling teeth, this machine ensures swift and efficient material removal. Its sophisticated material handling system accurately meters and distributes milled materials to the loading conveyor, optimizing the milling process and facilitating quick and easy loading into trucks or other vehicles. A leveling system ensures uniform milling depth across the entire width of the machine, creating a smooth and even surface ideal for paving and other road construction projects. Additionally, a dust control system minimizes dust generation during the milling process, enhancing air quality and safeguarding the health of workers. The Guntert and Zimmerman MP550 comes in various models to suit the diverse needs of different projects, from small-scale road repairs like potholes and cracks to large-scale endeavors like repaving entire roads and highways. The Wirtgen WR-Series is a game-changing lineup of cold recyclers that are revolutionizing road construction. Cold recycling is a sustainable and cost-effective method that involves repurposing existing asphalt pavement materials to create brand-new road surfaces. This approach significantly reduces waste and is far more environmentally friendly compared to traditional road construction practices, which entail removing and discarding old asphalt. What sets the Wirtgen WR-Series apart is its exceptional performance, efficiency, and reliability. These machines are equipped with a range of cutting-edge features tailored to a wide array of cold recycling applications. They boast a powerful milling drum with replaceable milling teeth, enabling them to swiftly and efficiently remove existing asphalt pavement. The sophisticated material handling system ensures precise distribution of recycled asphalt materials, resulting in a uniform and consistently high-quality road surface. Furthermore, the mixing system combines recycled asphalt materials with new binders and additives to create a new asphalt mixture that surpasses the strength and durability of traditional asphalt. The compaction system then ensures a smooth and dense road surface. These machines come in various models to cater to different project sizes, from small-scale pothole repairs to large-scale road and highway repaving. The GOMACO GHP 2800 slip-form paver is an absolute powerhouse designed for heavy-duty concrete paving projects, making it a go-to choice for road construction contractors. Its reputation rests on its impressive productivity, versatility, and unwavering reliability. This remarkable machine boasts a host of features that make it a perfect fit for road construction, including a robust diesel engine delivering ample power for paving even the thickest concrete slabs. Its durable frame and components are built to withstand the demanding conditions of road construction. The GHP 2800 offers a range of paving options, from single-lane to multi-lane and variable-width paving, ensuring adaptability to various project requirements. Moreover, its operator's cab is designed for comfort and ergonomic functionality, offering excellent visibility. To top it off, there's a wide array of optional attachments and accessories to cater to the specific needs of any project. The benefits of the GHP 2800 for road construction contractors are substantial. It significantly boosts productivity, capable of paving up to an impressive 1,000 feet of concrete per hour. This translates to faster project completion and enhanced efficiency. The machine consistently delivers superior quality concrete pavements with a smooth and even surface, contributing to longer-lasting road infrastructure. Additionally, the GHP 2800 is fuel efficient, aiding contractors in reducing their operating costs. The LeeBoy Paver 8520C is a game-changing asphalt paver designed for large-scale road construction projects, and it's garnering attention for its remarkable performance, durability, and user-friendliness. At the heart of this asphalt paver is a powerful 106 horsepower Kubota Tier 4 final engine, providing the necessary torque to lay asphalt quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for demanding commercial paving operations. One of the standout features of the 8520C is its sophisticated conveyor system, which meticulously meters and distributes asphalt materials to the paver's screed. This meticulous process ensures that the resulting asphalt surface is uniform and consistently high in quality. The screed system is equally impressive, offering versatility in laying asphalt with different widths and thicknesses. It's equipped with hydraulic extensions and leveling sensors, ensuring a smooth and even asphalt surface. To top it off, the paver boasts a state-of-the-art control system that empowers operators to easily and precisely manage every aspect of the paving process, even providing diagnostic tools to ensure the machine operates flawlessly. The ALLCONS full section trimmer is a road construction machine that brings exceptional efficiency and productivity to the table, making it particularly well suited for large-scale road rehabilitation projects. What sets it apart is its ability to mill and remove asphalt or concrete pavement in a single pass, thanks to its impressively wide milling head, which can span up to 12 feet. This wide head allows for the quick removal of a substantial amount of pavement in one go, resulting in substantial time and cost savings on significant projects. Moreover, its precision is unparalleled, thanks to a range of sensors and control systems that ensure the milling process is both precise and uniform, ultimately leading to a superior quality pavement surface. Durability is another key strength of the ALLCONS full section trimmer, designed to withstand the harsh conditions of road construction. Its robust construction is complemented by relative ease of maintenance, which helps minimize downtime and maintenance costs. In a nutshell, this machine is a highly efficient and reliable road construction tool that stands out from other road milling machines due to its exceptional features. SMB, a joint venture between two major construction giants in Germany, Strabag and Max Bogle, specializes in the intricate field of constructing parabolic-shaped banked curves commonly seen in racetracks and high-speed roads. Their expertise in this niche area has led to the development of a unique range of specialized equipment and machinery designed specifically for this challenging task. One of the standout pieces of equipment is the Bridge Paver, a highly specialized machine equipped with advanced sensors and control systems. This marvel of engineering is used to lay asphalt on parabolic-shaped banked curves with precision, ensuring the asphalt is applied to the exact thickness and profile required. Additionally, SMB has developed a line of compaction rollers tailored for these curves. These rollers come with features that guarantee even and uniform compaction of the asphalt, vital for constructing quality parabolic curves. SMB's plant and equipment have been utilized in prestigious projects worldwide, such as the Yas Marina Circuit in Abu Dhabi and the Shanghai International Circuit in China. Using SMB's machinery offers several advantages, including high-quality construction with precise thickness and profile control, increased efficiency for rapid project completion, and reduced downtime due to the robust build of their equipment. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. I'll be posting more reviews of new innovations in the future.